Ready to play with your kitten, Zeppo? Let's go get him. Epsilon! Eppy! Come here, Eppy. Zeppo and Epsilon love play. Oh, to play. Bounce. You can't hear him, but he is rumbling. Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't go back there. Play with your doggy. Epsilon, play with your doggy. Oh, I'm sorry, Eppy. You knocked something down. He is so gentle with the kittens. Uh-oh. Ah! Don't go there.